Hello, Exploraholics! Hello, Exploraholics! Today is a very exciting video. So if you didn't know, I am currently living in South Africa and I get less than US dollars a day for food, transportation, anything else that comes up. So because of that, I don't have a lot of income to do anything for Evie's birthday. So that is this Friday. Today's Wednesday, and because I do still want to do something for her birthday, I will be working with the church pastor's wife, who's basically famous in this part of town for making delicious cakes. I have to film this part while walking because I can't let her hear this, so it's gonna be a surprise. She thinks that we're all just kind of like, yeah, do your own thing for your birthday. Like, you can just hang out by yourself, right? Like, so I'm so excited. We are actually going to go together for her to get her hair done, and she is getting a tattoo one day. I'm not sure which day. That's super fun, but like, I wanted to get her cake. So her mom actually messaged me. It was like, hey, I'll send you some money if you can get her a cake. Perfect. So I'm going over tonight to the pastor's wife's house to help her bake the cake and decorate it. Then on Friday, while we're out, I'm gonna send somebody over to the house to pick up the cake and bring it back so that it's there when we get back. It'll be a surprise, and I'm so excited. Hopefully she'll really like it, so we'll see what happens. But I've been working on that all day, and I'm gonna go over tonight and help decorate it, and I'm so excited. I'm about to text the person I'm babysitting for tonight and make sure that everything's ready. Okay, so next I'm going to text her mom and let her know what's going on because this was all her idea and I'm super excited for it. So I'm gonna make sure, I'm also putting on my shoes right now, I'm gonna make sure that she is in the loop about it. I don't know if I actually said on my channel or not, but I actually do teach an ESL class. So we just got back from that. I need to do laundry. And then when that's done, I'm running to the store to get out cash to buy the ingredients. Let's do this. Okay, so the transfer of Evie's mom's money to me for the ingredients just went through. My laundry's almost finished. So I'm going to hang that up and then go to the ATM and then probably to like a coffee shop or something to get some coffee and just hang out and do work and stuff. I'm pretty excited for this. All right, the stockings are hung by the chimney with care. It's time for the next part of the plan. I'm gonna show you what we have planned for the cake. Again, I'm not a good artist, so it kind of looks like a hat, but that's a cake, I promise. So what we're gonna do is purple is her favorite color, so that's the icing we're going to use. And it is going to get lighter as it goes to the top. So we're just going to put in less and less food coloring. Super excited for that. And then, again, I'm a terrible artist, but on top we're going to have a little cluster of little sunflowers, which are her favorite, and it reminds her of her mom. So I'm super excited for this project, and she has no idea. So that's like the best part. Is her 20th birthday and she's away from home, which is always like really hard. And so I thought it would be fun. All right, got the cash. It is showtime. We're about to go to breakfast for her birthday. Apparently my voice isn't working. We're going to get her hair done, and our friend is gonna run and get the cake. So I'm so excited. Evie, happy birthday. How you doing?
Good, I'm good. Thank you.
Awesome. What you about to eat?
Waffles.
So I actually got my hair cut too while she was sitting there with the foil in her hair, with the saran wrap. We can't get a hold of people who have the cake, so I don't know what we're gonna do. So the surprise might have to be later. I don't know. I'm gonna try to distract her till I get home, but I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, Evie's in the bathroom. I just talked to Jordan, and he did pick up the cake in time. People got back, so it is like almost 2 o'clock, so we'll probably get back around 2 o'clock, even though we were saying 1:30. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited. She has no idea. I asked her if she wanted a cake, and she said she wanted one, but she didn't want to spend money on it, so it's gonna be perfect.
Good job, Kevin.
Thanks.
Hey! Hey!
That's cute.
Happy birthday! Alright, and we're gonna end the day with a little photo shoot. So that's what we're getting ready for right now. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and then we share a straightener, so she's gonna bring me the straightener. I'm gonna finish my hair, and then we're gonna go to the beach for a sunset photo shoot, so yay.
Nice.
So the photo shoot was slightly a bust, but we got here right after the sunset.
I just wanted a picture from the back.
We still got some pictures, so it's good. Now we're going to Vietnamese food.
Vietnamese.
I feel like I have a parrot, but it's just Evie.
Huh?
So we're at this really nice Vietnamese place. I think it's called Domino's Pizza. Yeah. Evie, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay,
Let's do this.
Are you pumped?
I'm excited. I'm kind of nervous too. I'm excited.
What do you mostly feel right now?
I don't know. I kind of feel like I'm gonna throw up, but I'm also like, it's like a mixture of good and bad, so it's just like mashed together.
So, any last words? I mean, things to say before you just end.
This is the last time you're seeing a barrel on Evie Herndon.
It's naked. I'm gonna have to censor it. Okay, I'm wearing Evie's glasses on my head, but it's looking good so far. But we decided to prank my friend who said he was gonna be here and he's not, by telling him that it's like terrible. Hey guys, sorry for such a crappy outro, but I'm sick, so this is what you get. The video has to go up tomorrow, so what you get. Anyway, she really enjoyed her birthday weekend. It was good. She loved the cake. Everybody loved the cake. It was so good. Thank you so much to Robin, by the way, for making the cake. I decorated it, so call me for all your cake decorating needs. I threw it up on the screen earlier, but I just wanted to make sure you knew that the recipes are in the description, so make sure you check those out. Literally, it's the best frosting I've ever had, and since I'm gluten intolerant, I usually only eat frosting, so I know my frosting. This was so good. Yeah, I'm really thankful to have friends here who would let me tear apart their kitchen and then them clean it up afterwards, because I had to get back, and like literally their family is so important to me, so it was really great to have that place and that time to be able to go and like work with him. It was great. Anyway, she enjoyed it. He believed the prank. I didn't film getting his reaction because like it would have been suspicious, but yeah, it was funny. Her tattoo came out great. I think her hair came out great. Like, all of this was a good time. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I am currently, at the time of filming this, 1 subscriber away from 50 subscribers. I'm so excited. So whoever is the 50th subscriber can comment their Instagram name or DM me on Instagram, and they're gonna get an Instagram shout out. So whoop, good luck. And thank you to each and every one of the probably 12 people watching this. I really, really do appreciate it. It means so much to me. I love you all. I'll see you next time. Bye.